So display keywords is a type of a content targeting which we can do in Google Ads, wherein we provide certain keywords related to our business and services to the Google display network. And now Google scans our keywords to understand the nature of our business. They try to understand what kind of business are we trying to advertise, and then it tries to target relevant websites related to it. So that is how we can make use of display keywords or contextual targeting, which we used to call it earlier. Let's see this, guys, on the platform, how you can apply this in a campaign. So once we log into our account, we can get into our display campaign, and then we can go to the content targeting over here on the left panel. In content targeting, we will be able to add display keywords, as you can see here, display or video keywords. And with this plus button, we can add the keywords for our campaign. So now one by one, we can add the keywords. Let's say we are into a business of selling iPhone 14. So we can give keywords related to that in this particular manner, one by one. Google also gives you option of getting keywords by giving your website. If you give your website, it will scan your website and give some keyword ideas, suggestions for that. Or else you can also enter your product or service. And with that also, Google can give you some keyword suggestions. So you can use these options as well to get some keyword ideas. So this way, guys, we can add our display keywords and then we can save it in the campaign.